A guide by rankedseo.com. Follow these steps to get a do-follow backlink from a DA83 website for free. Open the browser and enter deviantart.com. Click on Join. Enter the email and password, and continue. Enter the username, date of birth, click Join. Select the reason to join, and choose some topics. Open the email, and click the confirmation link. Click on the profile menu, and click Profile Link. Click on Edit Link, at the About section. Add website URL, and click Save. Open the profile link in a private window to check the backlink. Visit rankedseo.com for 1000 plus step-by-step backlink guides. Use the code YouTube for a 10% discount.